At T0, launch time, the Space Shuttle's main engines are ignited. These engines, called the Space Shuttle Main Engines, SSMEs, burn a combination of liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen to generate thrust. Once the engines reach full power, the launch command is given, and the solid rocket boosters, SRBs, ignite.
The Space Shuttle is attached to two SRBs, which are large solid rocket motors. The SRBs provide the majority of thrust during liftoff. Together with the main engines, they propel the shuttle into space. The SRBs burn for about 2 minutes and are jettisoned once their fuel is depleted. After the SRBs separate, the Space Shuttle continues to ascend using its main engines. The SSMEs burn for approximately 6 to 8 minutes, pushing the shuttle to its desired orbit. The main engines are then shut down, and the external tank is jettisoned. Once in space, the Space Shuttle deploys its payload, such as satellites or scientific equipment. The orbiter, which is the crewed part of the shuttle, remains in orbit for a certain period to carry out its mission objectives.
Once through the atmospheric re-entry phase, the Space Shuttle glides toward a designated landing site. It performs a series of banking maneuvers and eventually touches down on a runway, similar to an airplane landing. The shuttle's speed is significantly reduced during descent and landing.
The gear is down and locked. Main gear touchdown. Atlantis' nose being now rotated down toward the runway. The chute being deployed. And nose gear touchdown. Space Shuttle Atlantis now comes home to the Kennedy Space Center for the final time.
It's important to note that the Space Shuttle program was retired in 2011. And since then, NASA has relied on other vehicles like the SpaceX Dragon and Boeing Starliner for crewed space missions.